Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Instagram app. Make sure it's updated so theme options behave predictably. Once signed in, go to your profile, tap the three-line menu, then Settings. You're doing this because theme controls live in Appearance or Account settings depending on app build. Now tap Theme or Appearance when visible. If you don't see it, proceed to Account or Display settings. This first step gets you to the exact control panel where theme removal happens, not just general settings. Once in Appearance or Theme, you'll see options like Light, Dark, Default, or App Theme. Choose Default or Light to remove any custom theme. If you see a toggle for Custom or System Theme, switch it off so Instagram follows your device or its default look. Make sure to tap Confirm or Apply if the option appears. Some builds save automatically. This clears saved theme overlays and restores Instagram's standard UI, which reduces color conflicts and improves readability across posts and stories. After selecting Default, close Instagram fully and reopen it to ensure the change takes effect. Restarting forces the UI to reload. If the custom theme remains, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall Instagram because corrupted settings sometimes stick. Also check your device's system theme. Instagram can inherit system-wide dark mode, so switch that if needed. If none of that works, log out and back in or try another device briefly. These steps usually resolve lingering theme issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.